Here's my brand new, freshly installed Mansfield Summit. I just picked up from Lowe's today. It's a round bowl toilet. It was only one of two that they had left in stock. And of course, as you can see, due to the lack of space between the front of the bowl and the wall, I need to use a round bowl. I cannot put an elongated toilet. Besides, I need to walk past it, and an elongated toilet would unfortunately present a tripping hazard. Anyway, I like the way this toilet looks, and I love the style of it. It's nice, but not too crazy, you know, and it's got some elements of old school 80s look to it. But anyway, it's made in USA, as we can see. There's a little tag here or something. Yeah, there is. I don't know if you can see it, but here you go. Proof that made in 100% made in USA. In fact, all 5 models of Mansfield toilet that Lowe's sells are made in USA. They got the ProFit, which is basically an Alto with a 3 inch to 2 inch flush valves instead of the standard flush tower. The Summit, the Denali, and the Vanquish, I believe. But yep, here it is. And I went with the regular seat instead of an open front. This handle's nice, it's metal. It's got the slow close seat on it. Let's give this puppy a flush. See, I think there might be a bending issue, but every time I flush this toilet, it goes down, and it's the water goes down the drain correctly, and just has a good strong flush to it. It's really got a good powerful flush. Like I said, whenever I've had a Mansfield toilet in here, it works fine. The American Standard, decent. Briggs, not so good. Well, Briggs sucks now anyways, because they're Chinese made, and I think they're owned by Ferguson Proflow or whatever, and they're just garbage. Let's give this another flush. See? No rising water, no... Oh crap, it looks like it's going to overflow. None of that. This thing is perfect. I love it. Is it stuck or something? There we go. Huh. Slow close seat closes a little bit more slowly than I would like. You guys get the idea. Well, we're going to take the tank lid off, and I'll show you the inside of the tank. We got that rigid flapper with that red seal. I wonder if it takes the same seal as the 210. I'm not sure. Well, we'll see. Smart fasten system, which, get standard fastens. You know, technical system works better. And we've got our white-capped Fluidmaster 400A, which does not say Mansfield on top. It just says Fluidmaster. That's it. And yeah, the tank, and of course you got your metal Mansfield handle, and which is well made and tight fitting. Handle, you got the little flirt change. So far, I'm impressed. The true test will be in the morning when I get up to take my morning dump. Alright, guys. Enjoy.